Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Escape radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. Then, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This crucial step prevents any electrical shorts or damage during the process. Next, gently pry off the dash bezel using a plastic trim tool, working around the edges to release the clips. Remember to unplug any electrical connectors attached to the bezel. Once the dash bezel is completely removed and set aside, you'll see the radio unit. It's usually held in place by 4 screws. Locate these screws, often found at each corner of the radio's face. Use the appropriate socket or screwdriver to remove them. After all 4 screws are out, gently pull the radio straight out from the dashboard. Be mindful of the wiring behind it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, you'll adore the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the radio pulled forward, you can now access the connections at the back. The main wiring harness is usually a large connector. Press its release tab and pull it away. Next, disconnect the antenna cable, which is a smaller, round connector. Simply pull it straight off. Some models might have additional auxiliary input cables or satellite radio connections, so check for those too. Ensure all wires are free. Now that all the wires are disconnected, you can fully remove the radio from the dashboard opening. Take your time and avoid forcing it, as you don't want to scratch the surrounding dash. Once it's out, you can set it aside. If you're installing a new radio, this is the perfect time to prepare the opening and check for any necessary mounting brackets or wiring adapters. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.